Good morning, guys. So we're going to feed again our fish with this live dapnyas. Look how many are they going after the food. They're hungry. So this is for their breakfast. A lot of dapnyas for their morning treat. Different types of fishes. We have swordtails. We have guppies. We also have some gold dust molly, balon muli, and then yeah, some swordtails are albinos, which has red eyes, and there are some HB white guppies who are not yet developed. They're still juveniles. So we hope that we can feed them a lot of live foods for their this because this is very essential for their growth and to improve their fins, their shapes, their coloration. Yeah, that's it, guys. Good morning.